Hello YouTuber and Viewmaster friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the Viewmaster 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. This is the 3D Viewmaster fairy tale from the wonderful world of Walt Disney. Viewmaster Reel 1, Scene 1.
Wendy, dear, it's late. I know, Mother. I was just going to tell John and Michael one story about Peter Pan and Neverland. Then we'll go right to sleep.
Picture 2.
Tinkerbell, have you found my shadow yet? I must get it back on. What did you say? It's in the dresser drawer?
Picture 3.
Now stop that flitting about, Shadow. Come here so I can stick you back on.
Why, it's Peter Pan.
Sorry I woke you, Wendy.
Picture 4.
I'll throw your shadow on, Peter.
Thank you, Wendy. Say, I'll teach you, Michael, and John to fly. And then you can come with us to Neverland and be mother to all the lost boys.
Picture 5.
Now think good thoughts and fly. I forgot the fairy dust. Take her bells, sprinkle them.
Picture 6.
There! You see how easy it is?
We're flying.
That's why I right over London.
Are we flying to Neverland?
Yes.
Picture 7.
There's Neverland. That's Captain Hook's ship in the bay. The Indian village is on the right. Look, there's Skull Rock and Mermaid Lagoon and wild animals everywhere.
Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1.
Wendy, these are the lost boys. Wendy's going to be our mother and tell us stories. John and Michael can join your Indian hunt while I show Wendy Mermaid Lagoon.
Picture 2.
Mermaids, how delightful. I do hope we'll be friends. We shall see. Are you staying long?
Now, mermaids, you're not jealous of Wendy, are you?
Picture 3.
Quick, hide! It's Captain Hook and Smee. They've captured Tiger Lily, the Indian princess. They're going to leave her to drown on Marooner's Rock.
Picture 4.
Surprise, Captain Hook! So it's Peter Pan. I'll deal with you. Don't worry, Tiger Lily. Wendy and the boys are coming to free you.
Picture 5.
Over you go, Hook. The Crocodile. Smee, help me. Coming, Captain. Hold on. I'm almost there. Eager. Hurry.
Picture 6.
Tinkerbell, I know you're a vet, Wendy. Why don't you tell me what Peter Pan's secret house is, and I'll get rid of Wendy for you. And I won't hurt Peter.
Picture 7.
Peter Pan's secret house. We've captured Tinkerbell, Wendy, and the boys. Now we'll just lower this time bomb and finish off Peter Pan at noon exactly.
Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1.
There, I've managed to open the door of the cage. You're free, Tinkerbell. Now hurry and save Peter from the time bomb. Hurry, hurry!
Picture 2.
Tinkerbell, where have you been? Where did everyone go? Stop! Don't take my present. What? You say it's a time bomb from Captain Hook?
Picture 3.
You captive shall turn pirate, or walk the plank.
I shall never turn pirate.
Very well, noble little Wendy. You shall be the first to walk the plank.
Picture 4.
Don't worry, Wendy, I've got you. Boys, ready yourselves for battle, but save Captain Hook for me.
Picture 5.
How dare you treat Wendy in such a fashion? Hook, you'll get what you deserve. Right, boys? Right, Peter? Egad, the crocodile! Ah!
Picture 6.
Tinkerbell has sprinkled fairy dust over the pirate ship. We're sailing back over London now, Wendy. We know you and your brothers are homesick.
Picture 7.
Oh, my dears, I'm so glad to have you home again. I want to thank Peter Pan for bringing you back safely. He's gone, Mother. He's gone back to Never Neverland.
Woof.
We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up